In the HVAC business, having a skilled technician is very crucial for our entire and overall business. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you at another video of Mox Lifestyle Hub. Now, when we talk about retaining a skilled technician in our business, we need to promptly work only in a three area. First, you need to hire the quality technician, and same time, you need to train them and you need to retain them. And this is becoming so challenging in our day-to-day business when we are competing with the market, when we wanted to cater to our customer, where your skilled technician can be a game changer for your business. You need to focus on them. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you. There are a 5 or 6 step process which will help you if you are going to use it to the T in your business. You are not only going to hire a quality technician or a quality skilled technician, you will be also training them. You will be retaining them for a longer period of time, where it will become a game changer for your business, where you will stand as a organization who will be serving your customer with a quality customer, which will also help you to retain your customer for a longer period of time, or probably I could say for a lifelong. You'll be serving it, and you'll be improving your entire overall turnover, which will be ultimately impacting on your overall profitability. So I'll take you to my screens here. We'll crack the code one by one. So as you could see on my screen, now I'll be discussing with you prominently a 5-step process, which you'll be following it, which will also help you to effectively train your existing manpower or existing skilled technician, and you'll be retaining them for a lifelong, or I could say for a longer period of time. So the first thing which comes instantly in my mind is create a structural training program. So what is the benefit you are going to do when you are going to create a structural training program? Probably you'll be training your service technician or your team of technician with the soft skill and technical skill, and prominently you will be making sure that they should get a hands-on training, like what are the challenges when they are going to face when they are going to address the customer, or when they are going to have a installation or maintenance or any kind of services which they are going to provide on a field level. So hands-on training is very important. Though you will have a skilled technician working with you, but you will agree to me that day by day this industry is growing, lot of new advancement and new technologies coming to the place, and you need to make sure that your technicians should be going with the hands on hand, and they should have a training so they can able to execute the project or execute the warranty services or maintenance contract with ease. Second thing, you have to make sure that you should be conducting some kind of classroom inside your organization, where they can able to get a theoretical knowledge, or I could say a soft skill. They should be going through a lot of training and not only working in the market, because they need to get equipped, and if they are equipped, they'll be more efficiently executing, or they'll be more effectively executing the job, where your customer will have a feeling like the person who is going to work on their equipment or work on in their premises, those people are much skilled. And today you will agree to me that there are a bigger organization in the market, but they lack in that particular aspect. So if you wanted to have a quality technicians working for you, then you need to get a hands-on with the training. You need to make sure that you should be conducting a lot of classroom training. And the third one is you have to make sure that ongoing education on the latest industry trend. So because a lot of, like today, energy efficient products are getting introduced by a lot of manufacturers. There are a lot of technical products which is getting introduced. If we are talking in terms of your VRF system, or any project system, or any ductable equipment which is coming in, or even for a new latest split air conditioner, a lot of smart air conditioners are coming in. So either of the cases, when your people are going through a lot of training and education, it will be easy for them to operate with ease, where you will get a good name. Your customers will be happy with you. I mean to say that you with your services. and your people can just operate with the ease, and they can able to solve the any kind of problem if your customer is going to face. So the major benefit what you are going to get, you are going to get a consistency in your service quality. And secondly, you will be even when you will be going through the entire training process, any new hirings which you are doing it as far as the technician concern in your business, they'll be understanding the company standards. They'll be knowing like what is the kind of a standard you maintain as far as to market concern, uh, what is the kind of knowledge they have to carry, what is the ways and means your operation you are operating in the marketplace. So when you are going to maintain the proper hand holding, classroom training, and ongoing educational training as far as the latest trend concerned, the benefit what you are going to get, you are going to establish yourself as a consistent person who will be having a quality service. And same time, any new person who join your organization, he will just fall in the place. He'll also start following your processes, and he'll start following your system. So this will help you to establish yourself not only in the marketplace, in the same place you will be creating a culture inside your organization where people will always feel like you are no more like other air conditioning or HVAC company. You are operating on a different platform. You are operating in a different ease. So first thing what you have to make sure that if you are following this processes in your organization, then this is all right. If you are not following these processes, make sure that you should start implementing immediately, and you will start seeing the changes in your organization as far as the retention of your technician or a skilled technical person concerned. So that is the first point. Now I am moving into point come focus on mentorship. So when I say focus on a mentorship, you have to make sure that you should have a mentorship as far as your organization concerned, and these mentors are going to provide a guidance to your technician. Whatever technicians who are set up technicians who are working in your organization, they should provide a guidance. They should answer their question. If any doubt, any clarification if they have, they can able to answer their question and offer a real world insight, like what is the new trend is happening, what are the new technology which is getting introduced to the market. They should able to help your technicians. So now what will happen, your technician will feel like valued, and same time they'll feel like more motivated to learn. Because what is happening now, you must have seen like many companies, they have a system like any new product, any new technology which is getting introduced, they always have a tendency to calling their major trade partners, service technicians inside their house, or probably a manufacturer will be sending their expert who are good in that technical knowledge, and they'll be going to the like supervisors, they'll be going to the dealership, and they'll be guiding them like what is the new technology which is getting introduced, what are the new feature, what are the new benefits which is coming inside the equipment which they are going to bring into the market. And they should be giving a hand-holding training to the technician to make sure that they should be operating with ease. But most of the cases what happens, technician will have always a feeling like, okay, company person has called me or company has invited me, so I'm just going for having a ball of time. So it should not be a situation. When you'll be operating and you'll be building a system inside your organization, you may be operating with any other, you may be operating either with one brand or any other manufacturing brand. But you have to make sure that when you are having your own system, when you are operating with your own ease, and when you are having your own person who will be training to your technicians, and time to time they are checking it whether they are, what is the level of observation they are doing it. One thing, you can check at real time, like what is the kind of observation your technicians are doing it, what level they are observing it, how effectively they are going to handle on the ground zero when they are going to provide the service. And same time, when you will go closely with handling this technicians, when you have a mentor who will be helping them, they'll feel valued and they'll feel more motivated towards that. And that will be another region which will help them to staying or getting getting along with your company for a longer period of time. Now, third things what you have to do it, you have to provide a competitive compensation and benefit. And here I'll just tell these are the few things which you can, which most of you are following it. If not, then you can start following it. Competitive salary. So you know what is the industry is offering, or what is the other businesses in your city or in your locality is offering it, and you can work it out. Similar kind of salaries, health benefit you can provide, retirement plan you can do it. So what will happen when you will be preparing on retirement plan, like how major manufacturers are doing it, there are possibilities. People will always feel that they can stick to your company for a longer period of time, or probably up till the retirement. Offering performance based incentive, you can offer bonuses, like monthly bonuses you can offer, or you can have a understanding like profit sharing you can able to share, or reward for some exceptional work if they are doing it. So all this activity will make sure that you are not operating like one among the other businesses, or like other manufacturer, when you'll be having your own system, own processes, and when you are going to provide these kind of values to your technician or your employees, they'll always feel like valued, and they will stick with you for a longer period of time, because they are getting value in terms of soft skill, they are getting a technical knowledge, all latest informations they are getting shared, they are getting tested in the marketplace. So you can have a more control on them, like you'll be knowing like what is the kind of training he is going through and how he is operating in the marketplace. And same time, when you are going to offer a lot of benefits to them, they are going to stick with you, they are going to continue with you. And then the fourth point comes is foster positive work environment. This is a very vital and important aspect which you should consider it. You should make sure that you should have a situation, or you should have a arrangement in such a manner where you should be allowing people to have open communication, where they can come and give you on real time like what is happening in the market, what is happening inside the organization. Recognize and reward their hard work. If they are doing some smaller bigger job, or anything which they have gone beyond out of the box they have delivered, make sure that you should be recognizing them irrespective of the smaller or a bigger task. When you recognize, they feel valued, they feel more connected with you. So that is another aspect which you should consider it. And then you have to provide the opportunity for career advancement also. So when you are allowing opportunity, or probably you can make a path of your organization where you can say anybody who comes with the experience of say about DAS experience, and if you are going to continue, and if you are having certain parameter which you can set it, you can make sure that they should be elevated, they should be upgraded. So they should also feel like, okay, I'm getting an opportunity for career advancement, and that will become a major region or major aspect where they will not think beyond you, and they will stick with you for a longer period of time. So that is another aspect which you can consider it. And the fifth and last point is encourage work-life balance. So you will agree to me that HVAC industry is such a competitive and demanding work, where majority of the cases you will find like people are working beyond their normal working cycle. So make sure that you should have a system where you should maintain a work-life balance, where your people can work and they can take a rest, they can work and they can work in a cyclical process, where they will not feel like they are being driven like anything, and they are being sucked for just obstructing a work, because that is another area where people always think that this organization is not good, I should not continue working, and they'll always look for something else. So make sure that you should have a cyclical process where people should have a comfort and ease to work. So I hope with this 5-step processes, I have given you a lot of insight, lot of value, and these are all relevant things which you can utilize it in your day-to-day basis. I'm sure that you may be following some points, but make sure that if you are going to follow this all 5 steps to the T, you will find the difference. You will find the difference as far as your overall turnover concerned, overall profitability concerned, and moreover, you are going to have a standard benchmark which you will be setting it for the marketplace, for the industry, where people will always admire and talk about your organization, like how you are maintaining and maintaining your quality customer, how serious about how serious you are with your customers, and how closely you are going to offer and provide the services. And moreover, your customers are going to be there for you, or there with you for a lifetime, or you will get lot of referral businesses coming in. It could be related to product supply, it could be related to maintenance service, or any other job which you will be doing it. So I have given you a lot of insight with through these 5 points. And if you are HVAC business expert professional or a consultant, and if you are facing any specific challenges related to HVAC business, related to HVAC sales or marketing, you can connect with me. I'm giving a link here. I'm giving a link in the description also, so you can click below, see the available slot, and you can block a one-to-one meeting with me for 45 minutes, which is absolutely free. And I'm going to see you one-on-one, where I can understand your specific challenges, and I can give you expert advice which will help you to taking your business, taking your profession to the next level. And if you like my topic, please do share with your friends and colleagues so they can also get benefited, because I'm sharing you a lot of relevant content which you can utilize it in your day-to-day business, and you can take your business to the next level. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to pressing a bell icon, because I'm keep on publishing lot of content which are very relevant, and you can use it in your day-to-day business. So with this note, I'm closing my video here. I'm going to see you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless you.